Hello, friends. All right, so I got a package in the mail today, and I was like, "Oh, what is this? Where's this from?" And then looked at the symbols, and I was like, "Oh, I totally forgot I backed a Kickstarter last year, and now it is here." So let's unbox it. I already opened it. I mean, full disclosure, but you got to see this. It's unbelievable. Oh my God. I'm so glad I did it. I often don't do Kickstarters because you have to wait so long, but I'm so glad I did this. Okay, so first we have a little velvet pouch, very nice. It's hard to see in here. We have a nice little sacred geometry design. Put your weed in there. Okay, so we have a little envelope with a yes or no coin. Little bag. This is super cool. Look at these. I don't know if you could tell, but they're all glittery, silver glittery dice. And then this is the box, the Cerulean Sequence by James R. Eads. I don't know how you pronounce that. Eads? Eads? And so I originally saw this Kickstarter because he had an Instagram account and he showed himself drawing all this stuff. And I was like, oh, that's super cool. So the book goes in here, but I took it out. There's the cards. So here's the book. And so it's like all these it's like a sketchbook, right? Isn't that cool? Like every page is a number and what it means. I haven't looked at the book yet, but and so it's all like numerology. It's all different ways to use numbers to learn stuff about yourself. Open the box, the back, cards. Look like this. I don't want to show them all because, oops, because I know that's how people steal the images and then um, copy them and sell them on Temu for $1. Super cool. I cannot wait to dive into this. So this is the Cerulean sequence. I will keep you posted. And we're gonna have some fun with this. All right.